I'm Calvin Powers with IBM Developer Works. You know, the world of identity and access management just gets more and more complicated every day as we move everything to the cloud and we move things to mobile applications. And my guest today on the show is Dinesh Jain. He is with the Security Systems Group here at IBM. He's based out of Pune, India, at our IBM India Software Lab. And he's here to tell us about some of the efforts that they have started to foster communications with our customers and business partners. Dinesh, welcome to Developer Works. Tell us a little bit about what you do for IBM.
Thanks, Kevin. So I'm part of IBM's Security Systems Development Division. In my current job role, I'm responsible for designing end-to-end identity and access management scenarios. Additionally, I also assist customers worldwide from our IAM portfolio. And more recently, I've been working on one of the new initiatives. We call it as IBM Identity Dev, that allows us to approach our customers in a much more better way than we did it before.
Right, and this Identity Dev is hosted on Developer Works in our Developer Center section. And tell us a little bit, because I know you've been working on this for a long time, tell us a little bit about the mission behind the Identity Dev Center.
The Identity Dev is a platform that is accessible for our customers and business partners. The customers and business partners can learn through the products, engage with our IBM product teams, and help us in shaping the design of the product, and also contribute in terms of giving the feedback on the products. And we also would like to assist our customers in speeding up their deployment cycles. So that's really a one-stop shop for our IAM customers.
Great. And there's so many different sections of this Identity Dev Center. I wanted to kind of walk through them briefly so that people could get a sense of the scope of the Identity Dev Center. Starting with the showroom section. Tell us a little bit about the showroom section.
The showroom is really the place where you can learn about the IAM product portfolio. You could evaluate your requirements. You also get an opportunity to engage with the product manager by scheduling a request for a meeting. The showroom also provides several other assets and artifacts that could help you in terms of learning the IAM products and get a better insights about the product capabilities.
And the other section that I think is really interesting is the Concept Studio section, because a lot of communication happens in the Concept Studio, doesn't it?
Right. The Concept Studio is the place where we make our vision to a reality. The Concept Studio allows our customers and business partners to participate in early design discussions as our development architects are designing the next generation scenarios or the architecture about our IAM product portfolio. So the Concept Studio is the place where customers can meet our product architects and participate in early design discussions and provide their feedback even before we have started constructing the product into the product release cycles.
Oh, and I'm sure those discussions are really valuable, and they kind of feed in then to the development cycle, which is where the construction shop comes in, right?
That's right. So the next place is really the construction shop, where we would like our customers and business partners participate and provide their feedback with the new features that our development teams are building. So this is really an opportunity to share valuable experience and feedback with the development team in order to improve the work in progress of the products.
And then as you take these new products and new solutions to market, people then take those and deploy them into their production environment, and that's where the deployment center comes in.
Right. The deployment center is the place where we would like to assist our customers in terms of speeding the deployment cycles. This is the place where it helps to understand key integration scenarios, key deployment patterns, assisting in terms of the configuration and the deployments, and doing the administration of the products as well. So deployment center is the place where we would like to assist our customers in speeding the deployment cycles. You also get a chance to schedule a request for meeting to an IAM expert so that you could get your queries answered in terms of your deployment challenges or the deployment requirements. So IAM expert could be of your help to assist you with the deployment center.
I'm sure that's huge. Being able to talk to some deployment experts one-on-one about your particular environment is going to be very valuable to the customers. And then lastly, sometimes people occasionally have trouble with the software products, and that's where the service center comes in, right?
Right. The idea behind the service station is really we would like to educate our customers about the several ways or avenues they can approach to the experts, they can approach to the IAM teams in terms of resolving their questions. So quite often, if there are problems in terms of resolving the product features, how to use a certain feature of the product, if there are configuration challenges or the issues within the products, then IBM support team is at your help. And service station really tries to educate the audience with several ways they can approach IBM team and get their queries or issues resolved.
Wow. Yeah, it sounds like the identity dev truly is a one-stop shop. No matter where you are in the cycle of getting your identity and access management needs satisfied, they've got a section for you. And Dinesh, thank you for spending some time with me today to talk about the launch of the new Identity Dev Center.
Thanks, Kelvin.
Now, in addition to the Identity Dev Center, we have almost 60 different development centers on DeveloperWorks. We have dev centers around Bluemix cloud application development. We've got dev centers around mobile application development. We've got dev centers around Watson services, just a whole variety of topics. And if you would like to see some of those dev centers, go on over to developer.ibm.com and click the Connect section.